socialists. There are several ways to greet Japans. Keep distance. In Japan's culture, space and privacy are give a lot of value. Be respectful, speak clearly, calming. Do not use your cell phone in public places and be nice to the people you cross. Keep your eyes down. Direct eye contact is considered rude. Know how to dissociate. In the personal relation of the Japanese, trust is always very present among people because that trust is always the basis of any good relations.
Taboo themes in Japan. In Japan, there are different taboos that you should not touch if you want to take a bad time. These are one, in the modern Japan, the topic of the sexuality is not anything that is well good by its habitants of a daily way in its conversations. Two, another topic that is not well seen is the tattoos, which relate which related directly to the yakuza, a topic that you shouldn't mention if once you go to Japan because the yakuza are everywhere and you can go wrong. Three, the suicides in Japan are high, and it is something that the society tries to hide because a person commits suicide is a great shame for the family. 4. Shogunai is an expression very common in Japan and means it can be helped. This will lead to huge taboo within the Japanese culture, which is to miss the situations that we cannot control. So, that if you are not satisfied in Japan is seen badly. Finally, speaking about the World War and the consequences that this one had in Japan is a complete taboo. Rarely you will see someone speaking about this topic in public.
Manners on the table and the dress code of Japan. In Japan, when people sit to eat, they exhibit behaviors that very well seen, such number 1. Make noises when eating noodles with broth. This is for cool them down and as a sign that they are very delicious. Number 2. Grip the bowl of the rice or food to eat with your hands. Number 3. Serve the drink on the table before the contents of the glass are exhausted. It is an act of kindness and courtesy. Now, what is the dress code? Although traditional Japanese attire has long been replaced by Western clothing, Japanese people still wear apparel such as the kimono for special occasions. And that's all, and thank you for your attention. See you later.
It is clear that in Japan, women as well as men are pigeonholed into a role determined by gender. It is so evident that only 10% of leadership positions in private companies are held by women, and the case is similar in the public office. The Japanese conceive the situation as a purely cultural affair, not because women are considered incompetent, or incapable, but because for centuries there have been tasks assigned only to men.